Today is such a beautiful day. It's like a nice 50 degrees out here in New York City right now, which is days you just gotta appreciate. It's not so cold where it's freezing outside, and it's not so hot where you smell trash everywhere. So it's definitely a good day. Let's go see some apartments. So let's talk about this kitchen, because what you're seeing behind me is what you're getting. The kitchen's not that bad. I mean, you have a gas-powered stove. It beats an electric as far as New York City goes. That's an upgrade. You've got a decent-sized sink as well. No sink sprayer, so if you are somebody who does need a sink sprayer, you can always attach something on top of it probably. And the fridge is a pretty decent size as well. You could definitely get like maybe 3 Trulies in each of these, so you're good to go. Or it just could be eggs if you're healthy, but why would you be healthy if you're living down here? Here's your kitchen, shared with your living space over here. You can definitely put, I'd say, a table in the corner here overlooking your beautiful fire escape, and perhaps like a couch or something this way, looking at the wall where your TV could be, and maybe a small little nook countertop on the corner over here, giving you access to the kitchen. And this is a true New York City view. I mean, this is what I'd say 50% of New Yorkers live with. So at least you're with the majority. You can enjoy this while you're sitting down, having your cup of coffee in the morning, or while you're just contemplating your life and asking what could possibly be up there. And maybe one day you'll find out. Which leads us to the bedroom. Okay, not a bad size. If you can see, it measures 8 feet 7 by 8 feet 10. So you're looking almost at a perfect square. And I'm not including the measurement from this wall past this. Obviously, you're gonna need that space for the door to open. Depending on what you're looking for, you can fit a queen size bed in here. Of course, you're gonna be eating up more room that you would have on the side over here. But you could live that luxury lifestyle with the queen, or you can just be more simple and go for a full. Definitely could probably get full going up to here. You could probably get definitely a wardrobe or even a desk. But again, it's pretty limitless as to how you want to organize your space. I personally would get the full and maybe try to see if I can get something in the corner here as well as over here. And this closet's actually pretty good. It's really wide, so you might want to scratch what I said about the wardrobe. You could probably just need a desk because you can definitely get a lot of items under here. So you have the bar to hang whatever you need, and you got 2 levels, so you can definitely put a lot of stuff here. Again, this wall goes inward more, right to where, you know, this part juts out. So you definitely have a lot of space, and over top storage as well over here for whatever you don't want in your way. What I recommend is you put the storage underneath your bed. You get, you know, a bed that has at least a good foot or so of clearance. Throw all that junk underneath there. No one sees it, and you're looking like you're the cleanest person alive. And we make our way to the last and final room, the bathroom. Let's see what we're dealing with. Bathroom is not that bad, just kind of weird. So layout of this bathroom is what I'm talking about by weird. You kind of have the sink right on top of you on the toilet. So at least you can multitask. You can sit down, do your business while washing your hands at the same time. I mean, time is money in New York City, so that could definitely be a perk. And storage is definitely not an issue. You've got these built-in racks right above the toilet, and you got a medicine cabinet, so that's definitely a plus. Not every New York City apartment has one of these. And the shower is not so bad either. You have a junior size tub, I'd say. It's definitely not a full size. I have seen bigger ones in other apartments, but it gets the job done, and you can always take a bath. So that concludes this 1 bedroom. It is going for $2,500 right now. Again, you're paying for the location. Of Of course, like anything in New York City, it's always going to be paying for location, paying for all of the atmosphere you're getting and the vibe. So that's what you're doing in this one. Again, if you are interested, please like, subscribe. Check out my channel's information below the video. I'll put my Instagram information down below, and you can always send me a DM. I can give you more information on the listing if you are interested. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Take it easy.